hit this like button, subscribe, and put on those notifications. All you got to do is write I liked and I sucked. That it will show that you actually subbed and liked. Hey everyone! It's Jessie here. I'm with my bro, Non-Stop Gaming. And today we're playing Jailbreak. And today, this episode we're going to release. And my next episode, which is going to be in a week. So don't miss that out. We're gonna be prisoners. But today, we're gonna be polices. And we're gonna trap those criminals and these prisoners. So let's start it. Why not? So guys, someone just got here. I think a police gave them a key card or something. Or he just got it from somewhere. So I think he's up here. Oh my gosh, no! Okay, it's okay. He just took it. I found the museum. I flipping fell. I found the museum. Okay guys. So now I'm going to go to my bro. And sorry guys, yes, I know, I don't know how to. I found the museum. Do you know what that is? Do you want to meet after Julie? Or something. Where are you? What the flip is he doing? Okay, so I'm going. I see we're like here. No, that's not you. Oh, that's you. I know you. LG. I see a sign. There. Kiss with the wrong there. I like this song. All these polices are here because this is gonna open in a few. Oh, this is someone's thing. Where? No, don't go. Why? Okay. No, I'm going in my car because I actually know how to drive it now. Fine. We're going. But I really okay. Lower. Now. Where is the thing? Go again. Oh no! I don't like when this happens. I can't. Oh. Okay. Just go all the ways down. All the ways down. Okay, let's go. Let's museum. I don't know how. Yeah. The train. Oh my gosh! I didn't even see it. Okay, quick! Get it. I can't go in. The alarm's on. Alarm's on. Police. Hey, there's a jewelry. The jewelry. Where's the jewelry? So, this. I can't get in. This? No. This. Allah. Okay, how do we get in? So there's the diamond. It's like blowing up. One top and there's like a hole. Yeah, I know, but I always went there and I've died. See? Oh, we're in the flip. You don't. Wait, I'm trying to call this. We have to go. Okay. You can oh, this vehicle is locked. Audio. Good. Silent library. Oh, that's okay. I'm placing the dynamite. Why? It's open. No, it says it's gonna open in 200. So we can go through the doorway too. After okay, guys, so I am here, and when there's gonna be a robbery, I'm gonna get back. So, guys, there is a robbery in the jewelry. We have to go there right now. Like, I basically don't even know how to get there. Is that beautiful? Where is it? Do I go straight? Where do I go? This thing on the map. A black map. It's on the gas station. Oh, so it's here. I'm like wrong way. Like we protect the museum. No, what? Like we protect the museum. Yeah. I'm going there. I was going there. You're not going there, bot. I'm gonna get you. There's a criminal. I'm going there. I got stuck in my car. Okay, this is part of the. I don't know if he's still there. Where are all the criminals? Seriously. I honestly think I don't know how to drive. Hey, we just went down. So, guys, we. Okay, I'm gonna say who wants my cake out, but I'm gonna light. Yeah. Who wants my key card to the museum? I don't know how to spell museum. M-U-S-E-M. No. Musem. That's how you spell it. Museum. That is how you spell it. No. Yes, it is. That's how you spell it. Ah. Then look at the not there. It is how you spell it. That's not how you spell it. Why was it on the Guys, comment down below how you spell museum. Is this how you spell museum? No, it's not. Yes, it is. That's Musem. I know, but you. Then, oh my gosh, they're spelling crayon. But you pronounce it. You pronounce it museum. Thanks, dude. So, guys, this is it for the video. So, thank you so much for watching. And hope to see you next time in my next episode. Bye!